Are you looking for a flexible way to make money online? If you have a great voice and love to read aloud, then online voiceover work could be the perfect opportunity for you. First, start by creating a professional demo reel that showcases your voice and talent. Then, sign up for online voiceover platforms like Voices.com or Voice123 to find clients who are looking for voiceover work. Next, work on your communication skills with clients to understand their specific needs and preferences. This will help you deliver quality work that exceeds their expectations. Finally, keep practicing and improving your skills to stay competitive in the industry. The more experience you gain, the more you can charge for your services. So, why not turn your passion for voiceover work into a profitable online business? Sign up today and start earning money from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bayt Bucks, where we share tips and tricks on how to make money online through various means.